Ohayo minasan! So for this video a-attend po tayo ng first mass of the year. Yan, so sa Kaide Catholic Church. So from Otaso, pupunta po tayo sa Kaide. And sasakay tayo ng GR line. And ayan, abang-abang kami ng local train dyan. So malamig na ang panahon guys. So mag-ingat-ingat po tayo. Always wear a jacket. Ayan. So from sa Kaide train station up to the Catholic Church, ayan, 4 minutes walking distance. So, lalakarin lang natin yan. So, ayan, let's attend the Mass. And then, after the Mass, we decided to go on store na Shimamura dito sa Japan na makikita yung mga magagandang damit, andun na lahat. So, for today's video, sisilip muna tayo dahil wala pang sahod. Ayan. Magwi-window shopping muna tayo. Ayun lang for today's video. Thank you for watching.